This is for my beginner meditators. I hear this all the time, almost 100% of the time, from people who are just starting to get into meditation. Teach me how to control my thoughts. No, I won't teach you how to control your thoughts because you can't. Your mind is meant to think. Allow it to think. Allow it to imagine. You must separate yourself. To do this is sitting in meditation. Grab my free meditation. It's in the description. It will get you there. Sitting in that complete awareness of your thoughts, that separation is what's needed to begin this journey. As soon as you do that, you have entered the quantum field, and now you have access to all possible timelines. That is where you want to be. There is no controlling. There's no manipulating. Allow the brain to think and separate yourself into that which you truly are. You are awareness, complete awareness.